What should I do if my husband wants to divorce me for not giving him children? That's today's question. There is not much you can do to deny a spouse a divorce if one lives in the U.S. Spouses in the U.S. can file for and obtain a divorce if they want to divorce. Nothing in the U.S. prevents a husband or wife from obtaining a divorce if he or she wants to divorce. This is known as no-fault divorce, meaning that one spouse need not have committed marital fault, such as infidelity, domestic violence, emotional cruelty, substance abuse, etc., as the basis for seeking a divorce from his or her spouse to obtain a divorce. We could discuss the reasons why your husband wants to divorce over you having no children. Was that by choice, by the way? Did you have the ability to have children, or were you sterile? Did you agree to have a family and then change your mind? Regardless, the reasons why he wants to divorce don't really matter, given that your husband does not need a compelling reason to divorce you if that's what he wants to do. There is a difference between impotency, by the way, the inability to engage in sexual intercourse, and sterility or barrenness when it comes to grounds for divorce in some jurisdictions, most even by my recollection. Mere impotency is grounds for divorce, but in my research I could not find any state in the U.S. where sterility or barrenness is grounds for divorce. Fraudulently concealed sterility or barrenness can be grounds for annulment, but not divorce in some states. If having no children is no fault of your own and your husband would not consider adoption of a child or children, my heart goes out to you if your husband wants to divorce you. That is unfair to you. If, however, having a family is important to a spouse, and if one is capable of conceiving children with his or her spouse, but one spouse has chosen not to have children, I hope you can understand why the other spouse in such a situation may not want to stay married. The primary, not the only, but the primary purpose of marriage is to have children and be a family. I know that may seem quaint by today's standard, but it's no less true. If you married your spouse under false pretenses, such as claiming you wanted to have children when in fact you did not, can you see why a husband might want to divorce because of that?